Hello, second graders. Today we are going to work on lesson 15-2, and it starts on page 865. After today's lesson, you'll be able to say, I can describe plane shapes by how they look. Remember, plane shapes, this is the kind of plane that's like an airplane, but it means like on a flat surface, two-dimensional. All right, let's take a look at the solve and share. It says, look at the two plane shapes below. How are they alike? How are they different? What is a name for both shapes? So take a look at these two shapes, and then I want you to push pause and write down what you notice is the same about both shapes and what is different. And when you're finished, push resume, and I'll show you what I notice, okay? Go. So here's what I notice. They both have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Yesterday we said vertices are these little points, like the corners. They both have 4 sides and 4 vertices. That's how they're the same. Now I'm going to tell you how they're different. They are different because one has all square angles, and the other is, I'm going to call it crooked right now. Okay, see what I mean? This one has all 4 square corners, the square, and this one, these angles are actually called obtuse. You haven't learned that word yet, but it means they're bigger than square corners, greater than 90 degrees, and these are called acute angles. They're not square corners. So this one kind of leans, okay? And then the second part of the question was, what is a name for both? Do you remember what a name for a polygon that has 4 sides and 4 vertices is called? If you don't remember, you could turn back to the pages we did yesterday because it had that cheat sheet up on the top. Oh, right now I know Leah and Evie are both going, cheat sheet, right? I'm going to tell you what it's called if you forgot. They are both called quadrilaterals. All right, we're going to move on to the next page.